The all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5 Premiere. And let me tell you, this thing is turning heads. Mazda just dropped some juicy details about their third-generation CX-5, and I'm pumped to share why this might just outshine its biggest sibling, the CX-60. Let's roll. First off, the design. Picture this, a sleeker, bolder CX-5 that's still got that iconic Kodo soul of motion vibe, but with a modern twist. It's grown a bit, about 4.5 inches longer and half an inch wider, with sharper, narrower headlights and slick L-shaped taillights that scream sophistication. The Mazda lettering across the tailgate? Total premium vibes, like its big brothers, the CX-70 and CX-90. It's familiar but fresh, and I'm digging how it balances sporty and classy without trying too hard. Now let's talk power. At launch, you're getting a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine pumping out 187 horsepower paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. No front-wheel drive option here, which is a bold move. But the real game changer? A hybrid is coming in 2027, and it's not some borrowed tech like the CX-50's Toyota system. Mazda's cooking up their own Skyactiv Z hybrid, promising better fuel economy and performance that could rival the old turbo engine. For now, the mild hybrid version in Europe is rocking 141 horsepower with a 24-volt system, perfect for sipping fuel without losing that zoom spirit. Off-road, the CX-5 has got you covered. That standard all-wheel drive with Mazda's iActive system is built to handle slick roads or light trails with confidence. The longer wheelbase also boosts stability, so whether you're cruising through mud or hitting a gravel path, this thing feels planted. It's not a hardcore off-roader, but for a compact SUV, it's ready for weekend adventures. Inside, Mazda's gone all in on luxury. The cabin is roomier, with bigger door openings for easy access and more legroom in the back, perfect for car seats or your tall friends. The star of the show, a massive 15.6-inch touchscreen running Google built-in tech like Google Maps and Assistant. It's a bit of a bummer they ditched the physical buttons and control dial, but the minimalist design, 7-color ambient lighting, and options like tan leather or suede-like finishes scream upscale. The top-tier Homura trim even throws in a Bose sound system and heated leather seats. Cargo space is bigger too, though it's still not quite at Honda CR-V levels. Pricing is where things get spicy. The current CX-5 starts around $30,000, but with all these upgrades, expect the 2026 model to creep closer to $32,000, maybe more for loaded trims. In Spain, it's kicking off at about 34,800 euros, or roughly $38,500, so fully loaded versions could hit over 45,000. Compared to the CX-60, which is pricier and bigger, the CX-5 feels like a sweet spot for value, more compact, just as premium, and that hybrid option could make it a better bang for your buck. How does it stack up to past CX-5s? The second-gen model, around since 2017, was a fan favorite for its sharp handling and upscale interior, but it was starting to feel a bit dated. This new one keeps the driving fun, adds more space, and cranks up the tech. The loss of the turbo engine stings a bit, but that upcoming hybrid should keep things exciting. Compared to rivals like the Toyota RAV4, it's sportier and more refined, though it might not match the RAV4's cargo room or plug-in hybrid options. So, CX-5 or CX-60? If you want a compact SUV that's fun to drive, loaded with tech, and won't break the bank, the 2026 CX-5 Premiere is looking like a winner. It's hitting Europe later this year and the US early next year, so stay tuned for test drives. What do you think? Ready to trade in your old ride for this beauty? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more car hype. Catch you on the road.